Hey everybody, this is Marcus Eligan, broker owner of Mortgage Experts, your favorite mortgage expert in the mortgage industry. Now we're coming into the couple of more information about the renovation loan. This series is about how to pick your contractor. So this is very important when doing a renovation loan because your contractor is going to be the main one for your success and making this work. So I always recommend that you get at least 3 contractor bids. And you want to make sure that they're licensed. You want to make sure that they're insured and bonded. And also, you want to make sure that they've done a renovation loan before as far as dealing with a lender. Because it's a certain way that they get paid, and it's very important that they're familiar with how they get paid so that your job doesn't stop or pause when they need more money or what have you. So every lender is different on how they pay the contractor. I'll go over that in another series, but it's very important to pick your contractor and know it cannot be a family member. No, you cannot do the work yourself. So they must be a licensed, insured, and bonded contractor. We are going to approve them as the lender to make sure that they are qualified to do the job financially, as well as, we're going to approve them to make sure that they're financially sound and that they can finish the job for you. So those are my tips on picking a contractor. If you need more information, 301-341-2200. Have a great day, everybody.